Hello,
Hi,
Rohit.
hi, how are you?
So far, good.
Hi.
I've already seen the film. I liked it.
हाँ.
So
Thank you
happy.
so much, sir. Please tell our
सबसे
director.
अच्छा, हम में से सबसे अच्छा कौन लगा?
अरे सरदार सरदार
तो मैं
सरदार
पूछ
is being a
नहीं
सरदार.
नहीं मैं पूछ क्यों नहीं सीरियसली बता दो.
हाँ, सच में सब आपका तो बहुत ही अच्छा था एंड
हम्म.
बाकी लोगों का भी बहुत अच्छा था. Hello everyone. I'm Rohit Was from News 18 and we have with us the cast of Sardar Ka grandson and the director. We have Arjun, we have Neena, and we have Rakul, and also Kashi, who's the director of the film. So I will start with you because the film is titled Sardar Ka grandson. So why not I start with Sardar only? So and then we will come to grandson. How is it feeling for you to play a 90-year-old character? Like some time ago you said that in the press that people are not giving you role that that suits your age, but now they are giving you role that is even like older than your actual age.
Yeah, so when my manager told me that there is this film and there is a role of a 90-year-old, so I said, no, I don't want to do that now. So I said, no, you say no. So he said, no, एक बार सुन लो, सुना है रोल बहुत अच्छा है, एक बार सुन लो, पसंद नहीं आया तो मना कर देना. So I said, okay. So I went to the office and Kashfi narrated me the script, and after she finished, I said, okay, when do we shoot? At that time, I did not think of 1960 anything. I asked her one question. I said, why don't you take an older person for this? Why didn't you take an older person for this role? And she says the older person, the real 90 or 85-year-old person, won't be able to physically perform. Physically, 15 hours we used to shoot in cold weather and all. So that's one reason. And so we couldn't find anybody who's fit enough. So I said, okay. Uske baad I have forgotten that I'm playing older. My husband once said, Are, I showed him the picture. He said, Are, why, kya ho gaya teri shakal ko? Maine kaha, well, I'm an actor. I'm willing to do any age group if the role is good. And this is a role which is the most challenging role I have ever done. And till now, till it's released, I'm very nervous कि मैंने कहीं over तो नहीं किया, have I done it well or not? So it has been a very challenging and very interesting role. And one more thing I just now realized while we were talking कि ये पहली बार है कि कोई फिल्म में मेरा नाम है टाइटल में मेरे कैरेक्टर का. Suddenly I realized and I'm feeling very great about it. अभी तक I never realized it. So yeah, it's the first time. So it's a very
आप
big.
हमारी जैसे जैसे मार्वल में होता है ना, आयरन मैन, कैप्टन अमेरिका, यू आर सरदार, आप सुपर हीरो हमारी फिल्म की, इसीलिए आपका
Yeah,
नाम आता है उस तरह.
I mean when you were just talking just now, I said, oh shit, this is the first time my name is first in the title. So I'm very.
And also like the conversation between you and Arjun in the film, and it's like the most unapologetic, unhinged kind of conversation we have ever seen in any
Yeah.
Hindi films. Like so far we have treated like there have been boundaries between two such characters, but this time there is no such boundary there.
But it happens in real life also.
True.
But people don't show it that way. ये थोड़ा सा over है, हल्का सा. But that's the character Sardar is. But grandfather, grandmothers, and grandchildren have this kind of a relationship. They do have.
And also for Arjun, like
जी.
the fabric of the character, the texture, it suits your personality, like your off-screen personality, like very what do you call it? For the sake of better word, kind of sarcastic and very fun-loving kind of a person. So
Well, yeah, I think that is also something that attracted me to finally get a role that has certain overlaps to my humor, tongue in cheek, one-liners, reacting, making people smile or chuckle, having an opinion about everything and giving my take as a character, and being a bit of an oversmart buffoon, as an Amrik is
Right.
underlined to be a bit oversmart, but he's actually a mumbling, jumbling idiot who really doesn't know where he's going or coming. Um, I'm sure I've been through phases in my life where even I was like that, a bit more smarter than I needed to be, and I still have that tendency. So that's the attraction, also maybe subconsciously. But yeah, it's always fun to play um, relatable and believable characters. I think that was my into Amrik also. कि यार ये grandson ज्यादा रोंदू भी नहीं है, ज्यादा over the top smart भी नहीं है. Writing में balance अच्छा था. It was not, at no point is one part of his personality overtly used just to create entertainment. It was a nicely written journey and a coming of age of this kind of a boy. And there are many boys like this who, I've also been this guy, and there are many guys like this who can't handle their personal relationship with the girlfriend. They can't be men about it, but then they'll go to any extent for their families.
And that was quite visible between whenever there was a conversation between you and Rakul, or you and Nina. So they were like very different in nature. You were a different person here. You
Yeah,
were a different person here. So
100%. Yeah. Yeah,
yes,
see, and I think that's how people are. How I am how I talk to Kashvi when I'm with her is very different. How I'll talk to Rakul when I'm with her. I'm the same person, but different relationships, different dynamics. So the same way, आप जिस तरह अपने परिवार वालों से बात करते हो, जो आपको अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, is very different from where a girl who you are getting into a fight with, who you are dating at that point of time. And ego is a very normal thing in a relationship about apologizing in the moment. But when it comes to your own family, you tend to be overtly apologetic sometimes for being the way you are. So you overcompensate. So I think that is a very nicely written part of this film. Like I said, this film starts where most films end. The romance is over, and you're put into a situation where you see a boy who's playing this stubborn, bull-headed guy who actually then suddenly comes across his grandmother's love story and respects love after that and wants to go to this distance to fulfill her love story. अपनी लव स्टोरी में फोन करके ठीक से सॉरी नहीं बोल पाता डफर, लेकिन अपनी दादी के लिए वो एक कंट्री पार करके घर उठा के लेके आना चाहता है. मतलब इट इज दैट इज व्हाट अट्रैक्टेड मी आल्सो टू इट कि वो इज सो ऑफ,
वो
वो
गिर
सॉरी
गया था
बोल देता.
अर्जुन, वो गिर गया था ना बचपन.
हाँ, वो बचपन में गिर गया था.
dining table से.
बट ऐसे लोग होते हैं ना who can't say sorry to their partner, but for their family and friends they go and do wood. But अनजाने लोगों के लिए करेंगे, लेकिन अपनों के साथ ना हमेशा taken for granted हो जाता है.
Right. And Rakul Kabir, like Rakul, for you, this question is for you. Whenever like the way your relationship has been shown in the film, it's like not like your usual Bollywood kind of relationship where people will run in slow motion. Like they react like usual people, general people. There is no over the top
Right.
drama about it.
Right. Yeah, and I think that's what makes the characters very relatable today. That's how people are. I don't think there's too much tolerance for nonsense, and everyone's so self-sufficient, and yeah, and I think Radha is that character who feels that you better get your act together, otherwise it's not working out, and she voices she feels, and she is very strong that way, and it doesn't make her less emotional. I mean, she is emotional, she loves Amrik, is why she's standing with him, but ultimately she doesn't have uh, she's not one of your quintessential oh my god kind of girls, and I think that's what I really like about her. She's a woman of today, and Kashvi will really like that. I think Kashvi loves that about
True
Radha's
that.
character, that she's a woman of today and she does what she wants.
And so that brings me to Kashvi. Like when this concept came to you, like when you thought about like this is how we should plan this film, because like bringing a home from Pakistan to India, like on paper or on first thought, it seems like a very I don't know absurd kind of idea. But then, so what was your first action? How did you decide to go about it, and then also about casting?
So basically, honestly, the first time we heard the idea was from an article where a builder basically rebuilt the house brick by brick. And when we were Googling more like how Amrik does in the film, we came across the process of structural relocation. And honestly, when I saw that visual of the house on the truck, I did not find it absurd. I just found it like fascinating. I was like, wow, this is again something no one has ever really seen on, celluloid per se. And I think that image stuck in our head, and we had stories of partition. I mean, the one place where displacement really rings true in our country is partition. So taking the thought of that, and we knew the tone of what we wanted to keep the film in the sense keep it highly emotional, but obviously keep it with humor and keep it, like you said, very relevant to what today's day and age is. The grandmother is not a grandmother that you expect. The hero is not a quintessential hero. He is a mumbling buffoon at the end of the day, but there is a coming of age for him. The character of Radha, again, is a very strong and sorted character, much like how a girl in today's India, I hope, turns out to be as well. So I think taking all of these, small little mad, quirky things here and there, we managed to just put it into a film and stream, like a very sweet little storyline together. And we managed to make this film. And casting wise, so honestly, the script was the hero. You just had to tell everybody the one line, and they would be like, "Oh wow, we're on board." But like Nina ji said, she came on skeptical, but after hearing it, she just got onto it. Same with Arjun. I mean, we narrated it to him, and he was bang on there. He also helped us, work through various drafts of this film just to make it as, as authentic as we could. Rakul so was like, she is a Radha Lakshmi, so there was no second thought only over there. She just fits the role perfectly. And whether it's Kawaljeet sir or Soni Razdan or the kid in who plays Chote, I think we just did a little bit of extra homework and searching around to find this, medley of crazy people to make this film.
And so on that note of being crazy, I would like to ask Arjun. So, what was your exact first reaction when they said that you have to play a character which will bring a house from Pakistan to India?
When Nikhil sir had told me about the one line, and I was like, it sounds bizarre and random, but it's caught my interest. It कभी कभी होता है ना, कुछ इतनी ऊट पटांग चीज कोई बोल देता है कि आपको लगता है ये तो सुनना ही पड़ेगा समझने के लिए कि यार कैसे लिखा है इन्होंने. हाँ, तो it drew me in from the implausibility of it's not possible only, but let me hear it. But by the end of it, to be honest, by the end of the film, I didn't doubt the process of how to make it possible, and that is, I think, full credit to the writing of the film. Is that you don't question कि ये कैसे लेके आया. It is just the obstacles that he has to go through to reach that point where he could actually pull it off. So it was very well written in that sense. I was also a bit flabbergasted, but it's got a nice fairy tale quality. ना. देखो, हमें पता है कोई इस लिमिट तक शायद ना जाए, पर you always wish to find people who would go to this extent. And if a man chooses to, or a woman chooses to go to an extent that is beyond what your imagination is, most of us scoff at it. But what if you actually are supportive of somebody trying to achieve something like this? And I think that's what Sardar Ka Grandson just reminds us, that don't be scared to go to the most extremes of extremes to pull off something that you believe in.
True that. And also, you very rightly said that in the beginning it seemed like a bizarre, but it also gets your interest. You would like to hear kiske baad kya hua.
Correct.
But you and Rakul had to play that part in reality in the film, who are going to bring this house to India through Bagha border and through all that drama and jazz. So वो मतलब enact करना तो must not be easy.
बट मजेदार बात क्या थी ना, काशवी ने क्या 2-3 घर बनाए थे. एक था जो सेट पे लगा था, एक था जो ट्रक पे लगा था, और एक था जो ट्रक के मूवमेंट के लिए बना था. तो 3 अलग किस्म के घर थे. तो जब आप वो देखते हो ना, when you're sitting on a set and you're seeing a truck that has a house on top, even you have to, it's like having
You
the world's
believe it.
greatest prop available to make you believe that.
Yeah.
For every time you doubt the audacity of this film, there was an actual truck on top of an actual house on top of an actual truck, and we have driven that truck.
Exactly.
We have driven
so
it
to
through
just
small lanes. Yeah.
on main roads in the Kabutarwali Gali, so to make you realize that yes, there is a legit house on the truck that we are moving.
आप लोगों ने कहाँ
वो घर जैक के ऊपर लगाया, फिर उसके बाद ट्रक ऊपर आता. We put up a set for most of it, But I shot in Malerkotla for a couple of days for the narrow lanes and alleyways. We shot a little bit in Patiala for the driving parts. But yeah, overall it was more or less on the set. But I think there the credit of that fantasy coming to life comes to the production design and their research on the house here. कि वो घर कैसे चढ़ेगा और वो हमारे सामने चढ़ा बाकायदा हमारे सामने एक पॉइंट था आई थिंक फॉर काशवी बिकॉज वी हैड टू शूट सर्टेन बिट्स इन नॉन क्रोनोलॉजी एक घर बनाया गया था जिसका फर्स्ट फ्लोर हटाया था ताकि वो वीएफएक्स में ऐड कर सके ताकि वो आसानी से चढ़ सके तो हम एक दिन शूटिंग कर रहे थे 2 फ्लोर थे मैं अगले दिन आया तो एक फ्लोर गुम हो गया था ऐसे डारी कहा क्या घर तो देन दे शोड मी कि वो पीछे पार्क करके रखा है एक घर तो वो घर को बाकायदा चेंज किया जाता था सेट पे so they did a very good job of giving us that make believe prop.
And also when you explained about the character that it's a mumbling jumbling happy-go-lucky kind of a guy without any care in the world, and then suddenly he decides to pull off something which is unimaginable.
जी.
But in a way that has contributed to the story. No, कि ऐसा पागल आदमी ही तो करेगा ही.
Correct, exactly. And I think Kashvi would be the right person to answer that because even I asked her this a couple of times that why are you choosing this sur for this boy? And she says that's exactly only a person like Amrik without thinking can first emotionally commit to it and then start planning for it.
So Kashvi, Arjun ही क्यों? मतलब इस character के लिए यही unique हो क्यों?
Have you seen him? He's exactly like that. With the whole emotional streak, with the whole mad streak, he does all of it. But I know someone told me a really nice line. After watching the trailer, they said, लेकिन ये तो एक सरदार ही कर सकता है, bringing a house back from Pakistan to India. So yeah, I think it just fit.
On that note, I have had really a good conversation with you guys, and I have also used up most of my time. So thank you for your time and all the best for your film. And it's
Thank
a
you.
very funny film, very slice of life film, and all the best for it.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.